guys, welcome back to my channel. This week's 2-minute review is going to be on the Drunk Elephant Lippy Balm. First, I'm going to start by mentioning the packaging. I love how it's just this really thick and chunky little tube. I do find that it's a little bit difficult to pop it in like a jean pocket because it is a little bit more big and more awkward. And I don't know if you can see it. My lips right there have made this like indent. I've never seen this happen to anyone else's, and I think that that's just has to do with the way that I've been applying it, and I love it because it fits right on my lip right there. So about the formula, everyone has been saying that it is a really light formula and it's better for the summertime. It being winter right now, I can't really speak to that. This is more like my day moisturizer, and then I move on to my Laneige lip mask for the evening. Another thing that I found about this product is that I've been using it on my eyes. I actually read the box and it says that you can use it on your lips and on your eyes. I used this a couple nights ago on my eyes just to like hydrate them a little bit more, and oh my god, like I can't even tell you that I like this more on my eyes than I do on my lips right now. I always have dry eyelids in the winter time. So what I did was I actually just took my finger and rubbed it on the top, and then I patted it on my eyelid because that's where it's dry. I brought it out here, and then I even brought it underneath my eye as well. And it just feels so hydrating because it's a balm. It's not like a cream that'll soak in and kind of disappear right away. When I woke up, my eyes were still really hydrated and you could still feel the balm on my eyes, which was like so cool. I've never used a balm on my eyes before. I don't think that they market this as like an eye product. Like, they definitely don't. It was just like tiny little writing on the box, and when I saw it I was like, I gotta give it a try because my eyelids have been bugging me for months now. So there you go. This product is not exactly what I expected it to be, but it turned out to be even better, and I really love this product and I'm going to continue to use it, making sure that maybe I'll like it a little bit more as a lip balm in the summertime. So I'll give that a shot and I'll let you guys know in the comments if anything changes. Thank you guys for watching this week's 2-minute review. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below what product you guys want me to review next, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!